Unresolved allegations. Limpopo MEC Florence Radzilani undeterred by VBS scandal accusations. By Satori News. The ongoing saga surrounding the infamous VBS mutual bank scandal has yet again entered public conversation as Limpopo Social Development MEC Florence Radzilani remains at the helm of her duties despite mounting calls for accountability. The controversy stems from allegations that Radzilani was complicit in the massive fraud that divested over R2.3 billion from the institution, deeply affecting its investors and shaking the foundations of South African political integrity. In a detailed affidavit, the bank's former chairperson, Tshifhiwa Matodzi, has named numerous political figures and parties, indicating widespread corruption that has bled into various tiers of the government. Among those implicated is Radzilani, who stands accused of improperly receiving over R300,000 when she was the mayor of Vhembe, a district that encompasses a significant portion of northern Limpopo. Sweeping under the proverbial rug, the ANC Limpopo branch has so far resisted instituting their step-aside clause, which would require officials under suspicion of corruption to withdraw from their duties pending investigation. ANC provincial spokesperson Jimmy Machaka maintains a steady line of defense, stating unequivocally that no law enforcement agencies have yet charged Radzilani. As such, the party deems no further action necessary unless emergent details resurface, warranting a reevaluation. Reflecting the deeply rooted issues of governance, Radzilani's situation has become a microcosm of the political dynamics in South Africa. Far from an isolated incident, it points to a broader pattern of implicated individuals continuing to hold political office. It can be witnessed in the crosshairs of the South African Communist Party, SACP, as well, where current and former leadership are locked in contention over a R3 million conference debt said to be funded through VBS investor money. The scandal raises important questions about the connections between crime and politics, as high-profile names are consistently brought up in the context of extensive corruption cases. As the ANC grapples with its stance, the public remains on tenterhooks, waiting to see if justice will prevail, or if it will continue to witness a stalemate situation in which implicated leaders remain in power, untouched by the reach of law. Furthermore, the saga also illuminates the internal fractures within the ANC's coalition, its alliance partner the SAP, and beyond, evidence of the dissonance regarding ethics and accountability. With the guilty plea and subsequent 15-year imprisonment of Matodzi, the law has shown its teeth, yet the bite seems selective amidst lingering impunity for others. As the narrative unfolds, Radzilani's silence endures, echoing the quiet tension that pervades South African politics. The outcome of this discord, how the ANC handles the allegations, and whether justice will be attained for VBS mutual banks' defrauded investors, remain to be pivotal moments for the integrity of the country's governance. Thank you for choosing Satori News.